Raj,
Hello, sir.
Who is criminal?
He is criminal. He has robbed the bank.
You robbed the bank or not?
Not. I have not robbed the bank.
What's the proof?
Did you see him
No.
when he robbed the bank?
No, I not.
Truly? You said true? If you will become false, you and he both sent into the jail. Say the truth. He robbed the bank?
Let's check the CCTV camera.
Okay.
They are going to check the CCTV camera now.
We see the CCTV camera. He and he. Both. They both are robbed the bank. They stolen 2,000 crore rupees.
Where is 2,000 crore rupees? Tell us.
Please tell us.
You both robbed the bank. You both tell us where is 2,000 crore rupees.
And it's both.
they are thieves. Let it confirm.
Now, order to give a stick to us. Then beat them. Then they say truth.
No, you should not beat them. Because let it confirm that they are thief or not. If you will beat, then that is wrong.
I will beat them.
Okay, as you wish.
Don't wait.
Tell us,
Tell us where is 2,000 rupees.
where is 2,000 rupees? Tell us. You know, you are not speaking us.
I don't know.
You are not telling us.
Please no.
Know that we can beat you.
I thought that they both are not thieves. Leave it.
No, we should not leave it. Let it confirm. Because we are thieves, we should do it. And that is our.
What's the proof you have? They both are thieves.
I don't know, I have no proof, but my heart is saying it.
Our say them that they are not thieves.
This is our. We should confirm it. I don't know about this.
We check the CCTV camera. They both are robbing the bank.
Then let's check the camera. Okay? This is last way.
Okay.